a tier for say 2 days ago. And Sambi Esie ewo Chopoli na Chopoli yebeka se ewo pram. Oma womu enim pram hoside no. As never to atone subscribe na click the notification bell no so. Me hu senya metre but do wakwan no so wo kwa pram Chopoli. Na very very terrible news esi wo ho. Na news ne say a husband and the wife and a woman back at one. Nipa bonifu bi ebo woman nyina atu ehye woman bodies. Etiefo nipa bonifu bi ebo woman nyina atu ekwohye woman bodies a na assembly na enya asem ketwa se ni assembly si ye na nkofo bebre ekasa fa ho no. Na I heard a lot of people. The entire news no man reported that very day and they said na asem no emwaye nya. Now I heard a lot of people kasa say oh womususu say we but in same there na there no womo kan and they say asase hu nsem bi asase hu mansum bi ba papa na nkasa there womo a womo ni papa ne wo kuro ho no there womo trend say papa ne wo yo bi asebe won pe kasa won pe mansum nsem bi atre say wo yo bi a wo ye very gentle na womususu say asem to na woni papa we kokasa e bia woni nya asem kra na woni no ekokan obetumi de woboni achewa na se wobetumi ejai amanaka nti na nkofo bebre susu se asase ho nsem ana asem nti a wo mukokun papa no na yere ene ne ba no na nka wo mutena se ekan ya na nka papa no wo beti ase because ekro foni na kroman foni na enim no to be searched se wo no de what ya asem ase na se ne wo ho picture no e wo screen so no eno ne car na wo no ne yere ene ne ba etimu a etiefo ne pabonifo ekobo wo mutuo wo mu wieye wo mo hye wo mo bodies no drop na narrating the murder story to Class FM because we are monitoring it. I'm say Adom FM4 reporting here, City FM4 are reporting Class FM. You know, we were actually monitoring so that you get a lot of stories and you be stories no near the common ones now premo. You know, yeti ewa Class FM no papa no ne wafa ase eba bonten ebe kasa na ne wafa ase no ye friend Mr. Ruben Ayipa na wono na wo be kasa na wose papa no nkasa ne din di oman kwa kranten wose ono ne wafa no ene ne yere ne friend Sofia Botoji Dali ene wo moba a ye friend oman Akueku na wase die si ene se embrantie bi unknown assailant unknown persons enye nipa ba ko enye mienu embrantie bi approach omo na brofo mi ebeka se accost che se embrantie bi approach omo a papa no ene ne yere ne ba no wo mu fuom a wo mu ekofie na embrantie na approach omo na che se wo mu bo mu tuo instantly wo ho no wo mu kun wo mu training na papa ne sense woko fuom ni ntino wo the pick up na wa we hu e wo screen so no hard body eno ana Ghana for do na ediko kro ediko efuom ntino papa ne car e wo enchen ho nti wo mo bo papa ne tio wo mo kun papa no wo mo kun ne yere wo mo kun ne ba no e na wo mo sesa body no ekogu car nim na wo mo wie na wo mo kwa park car no etu baby e na chese wo mo page etu car no ene body ni na mu nti ehwa na chese omo page atumu a eja na ederia na sam branch we a wo mo bo ni tuo no wo mo edwa na ye na wo mo ti area ho no suspect say encrophobia eti area ho no na wo mo eye bibi say abro ne beka town folks and towns folks wo mo susu say the town folks susu say some people the perpetrators no, there are people who actually are residents of that particular area. They say womo tesa area na the entia womo esusu say womo ti area ho ni bi na ebe di sa nyamranse we ne say papa no wone nkrofo bi wo area ho e wo asem efa asase ho etiefo o asem fa asase ho ba ye nim say sa asase no na sebe wo de ayefu a na wone ne ba ene ne yere wo mu fi so asebe ye bebo mutuo no up to now we don't actually know but one thing is police for edi asem we chi the Bema police for say asem we mo di echi but ye nyante ye kra say police for arrested nipa baako. That's the news we are getting. Say police for arresting nipa baako. But me read the article be what has say. Me read we are now call the news on police arresting one person. Also confirming the incident on the same show. ACP Doji, not to say police ni no. Eba bonti Bekasa say the Pram Divisional Police. Bekasa say the police had a telephone call about what had happened. That is, will be the friend police for the trauma say NAC into no yashe body be what say. Now the police can say we proceeded to the scene and we saw a pickup with burnt bodies in it. We cannot recognize anybody and we saw 3 paint cartridges at where the car was parked. We suspect that people were shot and their bodies set ablaze. That is, 1 bullet for one. That is a bullet no the case no you hu 3 the scene ho. But when my bodies need there ya shina matter say untumi recognize it kra. It's here for assembly a lot of people are dying say ba land issues say any physical na ana say the bakone issue physical na one so killers amma yamfa etu ambebowa obekwa koye the spirit na che say ude na esi asase ne so apa na wewu. I don't know why a lot meaning litigation in some land litigation in some adults were Ghana and saying do why are they eye nipa bonifuo bi na say bi wo mokoton asase ne man nkrofo mienu e man nkrofo mienu no be ko hu ana na say survival of the fittest and any asema bro ni be kan na say bia me ton asase a me ba beton ama wo na masanso akoton ama obi ase be ye frɛ no e bia kojo na say me gina echi maji mutu ni asika na kojo ene wo no mo be ba be ko I also nanka mutu no mutena se efa adwen ebe atake mmia maton asase na ma mumienu ni mom no meji na ho ahwe ama mutu no mu akoa na ba kukum baako na asase na ebe da ne baako dia na trese me sika no maje double na aden na Ghana e wudi sem ene nipa bonefo ana nipa bonefo sem ensema sebe mudi kum nkrofo mudi say nkrofo families adults and say aden a day. Now, said one person has been arrested over the murder case, and also a reporter, Eba from City FM. Now, me read the article was saying police in Ningo Pram in the Greater Accra region have arrested one person in connection with the murder of a family. Now, was saying the suspect, whose identity is being held by the police for security reasons, was picked up shortly after the incident. And only sema edaho say police for womo achi will be, but the identity of the person, the police for person womo edibetuja. Na asema womo can say embra de ni see no anche ho antempa na police for womo ye investigations ye beka say prelims investigations just say answer na ye bedumo suko eko hu ensem ni mu poten no police oba ye investigations ka krebi ama ye hu say nipa we say ne ho bon wasem ni mu nipa we say ne ho bon wasem ni mu it is a prelims investigation na omo aya omo de akofa obi ende me ne wo ka say nipa ko no ya che no a wo police for no kukum na it's good say police for emphasize the identity of the person and to die. I'm also hearing from the reporter Metia on the ground, so I'm hearing say the person who has actually been arrested, Krano, when you will be a papa nim the pan, when you will be a chese, will nim papa no papa no so in nim no, or most says I said they would this are born in the same way. Now I'll not state anything because we are waiting on the police to come out with their final investigations. Now yen said the woman won't put this on your same way. Yes, it bet me about sending pakwa. Yache no ebetumi aba se enye onu no wokofa etuo no ebo enkrofo we ekun omo and enye onu na se be woko page no ebetumi aba se wo contract enkrofo bi nti no yache nipa ba ko ne de story no me read na tell say enkrofo bebre na kobo and I Rebecca say suspects what you say. It's obviously it's not only one person who is involved. It's for no any asema the latest on this particular issue they may need DH because pram hono baby a baby what you say the same way there first hand information. The latest on this particular matter, but the bro internet for and only sema that ho. Tell what your comment box no me that say.